In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic called source transformation. So it is nothing but it's a process of replacing the voltage source. So the voltage source in series with the resistor into current source, say in node in the direction in parallel with the resistor. So here what is Vs? Vs is equal to Is into R, and what is Is? Is is equal to Vs by R, okay, or vice versa. Okay, it can be from here this one to this one, or this one to this one. So it is a tool for simplifying the circuit. Okay, so let us discuss one problem based on this one. So the given problem is calculate the Vx in the circuit using the method called source transformation. Okay, so the given circuit is this is 4 minus 90 degree, and this is 5 ohm resistor, and you have 3, and you have inductor J4, then 4 followed by minus J13. So this is a capacitor, and here only we need to find the value of Vx. Okay, so you can convert this whole thing into but before that you can see this these two are in parallel, right? So these two are in parallel. I can write RT. So RT is equal to 5 in parallel with 3 plus J4. Okay, so this I can write it as 5 into 3 plus J4 into 5 plus 3 plus J4. This is equal to 15 plus J4 divided by 8 plus J4. So this I can convert it into polar form using a calculator. Sorry, this is 20. So using a calculator, so if I convert, I will get 25 53.13 degree. Okay, so divide by 8.94 26.56. okay, so this two I can divide. Okay, so if I divide, I will get 2.796. okay, so this I can write it as 53.13 minus 26.56 okay, so I will get this RT value is equal to 2.796, angle is 26.57. so this I can convert into into a rectangular form as 2.5 plus J 1.25. okay, so I can read it as okay, this is 4 minus 90, and this one is this is 2.5 in series with J 1.25. okay, after that you can see these two are this is current source in CD in parallel with this one. So this I can convert into using source transformation into voltage. Okay, so you can see since it is in upward direction, so this must be plus and minus. So current value is 4 of minus 90 into the resistance value. So what are the the impedance value? Impedance value is 2.5. Okay, so this is nothing but 2.796 angle is 26.57. So this V is nothing 2 point it is 2.79 angle is 26.37. So you know the impedance value, right? That is 2.5 and J 1.25 4 ohm resistor minus J 13, that is capacitor value, and this is 10. Here only we need to find the value of Vx. Okay, so you can see 4 and 2.5 are in series, so I can write it as 6.5. okay, so after that you have to apply voltage divider rule. So what is voltage divider rule? So here all the impedance are in series, so Vx is equal to 10 into that is a voltage, total voltage, that is 4 into 2.796 is 11.184, and angle you have to add these two values, minus 90 plus 26.37, so we'll get minus 63.43. okay, so 10 into 11.184 angle is minus 63.43 divide by total value 6.5, right? That is total impedance value 6.5 plus 10 is 16.5 plus J 1.25 minus J 13. I need to add all this value. So what is 10 into 11.184? That is equal to 111.84, right? Angle is minus 63.43. So here I can write it as 16.5 minus 7.75J. So here denominator value I can convert into polar form, right? So if I convert it to polar form, I will get the answer as so you have to use calculator. 20.25 angle is minus 35.45. So these two get cancelled out. So Vx is equal to 5.52 on the minus 63.43 plus 35.45. So if I add, I will get 5.52. Angle is minus 27.9. So I can apply the source transfer to the dependent source also.